No.
This is not a lie drill, nigga. This is not a fire drill, nigga. This the real thing.
Man, we back with another reaction video for y'all. It's your boy Nova King and my main man, a right hand man.
Olo J, man. Jack Queso, Mr. Bust Down, Mr. 448.
Hey man, here we go. I told you we bringing them back to back. Reaction video. Stay tuned. We always gonna keep some news for you and some new motion going. That's what we do, man. Motion game, man. You hear me?
Camera recording.
Hold on, camera. Bruh. What? Yeah, when you push the freaking doorbell, I'm like, no. Oh God. Yeah.
Motherfucker thought he had something.
My gloves.
He was scared for a minute though. He's like, what the fuck? Like, did I just walk in at the right time? Nah, my boy.
Oh, you fucking cunt of a fucking thing! Fuck me in the fucking arm!
Yeah.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Fuck!
My holy shit.
Oh, holy shit!
Alright, man.
Ooh. It's oh shit.
He's like, damn, they got me fired.
I'm on cam.
Or traders' reactions.
I've been moving a lot.
I've been moving good. That thing get out there, bro. That thing get out there. Look how far that bitch go out there.
Trick or traders.
I'm not gonna lie, to this day that will work on me. I ain't gonna lie, you catch me at the right time, you gonna be scared the fuck out of me.
Real right. That's just too unexpected.
Watch a salesperson react to our ring quick response.
Away from the other side of the house, the undisputed answerer of the door. I'll be right there.
Oh. Let me guess. Your husband is a wrestler. Your husband is a wrestler?
He's a coach.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was cool.
Oh,
Massive. It was so cool.
Yeah.
I never heard that one before.
Yeah, I just put it on there.
All right, and I loved it.
Thank
Here you
you.
go. That's my business card. My name is Edgen,
Mhm.
and we do home improvements. with your fencing,
And she's screaming for help. Shadow shares this Ring doorbell cam footage captured at 4:30 a.m.
4:30, yeah, nice. Dude, I'm telling you, she's probably running from someone. It's not one of those videos. Oh shit, yeah, she's clearly in panic and stressed. You gotta be careful though, because you can be trapped sometimes.
The stranger is looking fearfully over her shoulder. It seems to me that she is panicked. Is someone chasing her? She sits on the ground outside the door for a while and then gets up again. But as a car drives slowly past, she hides behind this pillar.
Oh shit, dude. Thank God there was a pillar there. She looks like she's on something though, dude. Oh shit. That's terrifying, not gonna lie.
She tries once more to knock at the door, and then she hides again.
Do you open the door?
No.
She look like she terrified.
Call the police. They can help her way better than I can. They trained for this.
Safety first, homeboy.
They trained for this.
Hey, bro, my fault. I smacked the fuck out of your car, bro. But it's good. Mine is good. I can still drive mine. Your shit is fucked up, bro. Hey, my boy Jerome Jackson III can hit it back. Hit it back long, bro. Hit it back good.
Bro, they had been joke. Like they had been playing. Yeah, they playing.
I don't know. He is drunk though.
It's fuck.
He wet.
With the back, he can't be that drunk.
Nah, he wasn't that drunk.
Right. He was in on it though.
But he on some shit like, yeah, he tweaking shit. He wasn't on camera. But why you saying my name, bro?
Jerome Jackson III, I don't think that's that nigga.
Can't fucking open the damn door.
First off, who was the girl in the first video running from? What you think? I mean, it could have been that car that was coming around.
Yeah, them was little weird vibes, no cap.
What? But I would have beat the fuck out of Buddy walking around. I would hit him with so many rapid punches.
It would have been, yeah. Me and my dogs would have been on his
I'm
ass.
talking about head stuck in the door getting beat crazy.
Yeah, when he hit the rail, oh yeah, I'm coming with them. What Rey Mysterio do? The jump kick, all that. Coming top rope.
If I can't help my cousin bring the bags in the house, went to the grocery store, man.
Shout out my nigga Meats.
Yeah.
I'm pressing charges just because of that.
Why you big?
Bad body, sloppy, slow, slew foot ass.
Let's see over here.
Like, girl.
Hey. Hey.
Hey,
What are you doing?
nothing. What the fuck are you doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing
What are you holding? What are you holding in your hand? What? Tell me what you're holding in your hand, Goddin.
Nothing.
What?
It's not what it looks like. Look. No. This was.
What do you mean? It's exactly what it looks like.
Okay? No, for real. Look, this was, they gave it to me for free because I bought this. And this is not even that big. Look, there's a little. I just bought a little bowl. For free? There's nothing in it. I'll talk to you later.
We're gonna
I love you. I love you so much.
You just spent all my money. You was stupid.
You know she got the credit card.
What?
You know she got the credit card. I told you emergencies only. What's an emergency, Poppy?
Oh, Poppy, you know I need to let you know I gotta let go for you.
Hello, little boy.
Why are you playing on my ring?
Please be playing. I hope you playing. This time is one of the times I hope you playing. Cause I'm gonna be terrified. You said she just paused and like, hello, little boy. Oh, nah.
I'm a grown ass man.
Big boy.
Just the presence of that camera, like.
Parallel parks and shit, boy.
You gotta go change her diaper.
I can smell that bitch through the camera.
That bitch, my old boy is 40-year-old boy.
How are you the last one to show up to your own party? That is messed up. What? Your birthday party. What are you talking about?
Do it.
What?
Surprise party.
Surprise party?
Are you drunk?
Of course I am. It's a party.
No, I thought.
Who was that? Come on, I got off early. Let's go out. Let's get a drink.
Oh my God, would you go away? You're ruining our marriage.
Blicky! Oh, yes, sir.
No. Yeah, we can't. I'm sorry. No.
Why you think I'm trying?
No.
Ma'am. Look. Oh, let me get my damn foot. Oh, wait. No. Ow, shit. Hey, what the? Ah.
What the fuck? People is crazy. Like, I'm gonna be real. I didn't know people was as crazy as people is. Why would you walk up to somebody? Why are you doing any of this?
First, like, what is wrong with you? Like, what is wrong? How you follow me? Like, what the fuck is, like, mentally?
Sister just shoot my doorbell camera with a gel blaster.
Hello.
You wouldn't want to get this notification from your Ring app. which is what happened to Reddit user FederalPair5044 before they posted this video to the r/doorbellcam subreddit. What could that device be? You wouldn't want...
No, I look like he did like some kind of... Might be some fraud, boy.
I'm talking about the afro, though. It might be a fake afro.
Footage.
No. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This the biggest lawsuit I would have ever filed in the world. She turning it all.
Disturbing footage.
Oh yeah. Oh. First I would have been in jail. Then when I got out, I was gonna file a lawsuit. Cause what? Oh my God.
Fam.
You really looked over there a couple times. I'll be real.
Fam, when she would have seen me, she'd be like, "Yeah, I know I'm finna.
I'm fucked.
I'm fucked because this man is finna kill the fuck."
No,
I would have seen him. Like, hey, listen, man, that was another Doorbell reaction video, man. We gotta get to this other work, man, so we can get to y'all. And we know it is what we do, so we can do what we do. We do. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate y'all, man. Much love and respect, man. It's Nova Kane and me, boy.
Olo J Jack Queso, Mr. Bust Down, Mr. 448.
Till next time, peace.